Hello there, friends. Happy Monday. Yeah, Monday's my day off, and I always do something on Monday, some exotic place. Well, I took a ride up to Woodstock to celebrate the anniversary, which was this week. As you can see, I see the picture looks a little faded, but I'm up on the big screen of Woodstock with a bunch of these hippies sitting around listening to me. Anyway, as usual, today's Monday. The Blue Parrot's closed today. I'll just give you a little heads up on what's going on for the week. Thursday night we got Randy Jackson this week. We don't have the karaoke. The karaoke is continued in 2 weeks. There's going to be the 2 weeks of finals then. But this Thursday is Randy Jackson at 9 o'clock. Then, of course, we got live music Friday and Saturday. I'll tell you more about that. Okay. But for now, Blue Parrot's closed tonight. Hope to see you all tomorrow. We got the free pool and stuff like that tomorrow, and the beer buckets. But I know you're all here just for my joke of the day. A good thing because the screen looks a little faded, so you really don't have to see my pretty face. You can just hear my joke. Okay, this is a long one. Let's see if I can remember this one. Mike goes into the bar, sees his friend Pat sitting at the end of the bar, in the corner of the bar, with a big smile on his face. He says, Pat, what's up? Why the big smile? He says, well, Mike, I'll tell you, I was out waxing my boat today, just waxing my boat. He says, and as I was doing this beautiful redhead comes by with big tits out to here, Mike. I tell you, she had big tits out to here. And she asked me, can I go for a ride in your boat? So I said, sure. Took her on a boat. I took her all the way out into the ocean, turned the key off, and I told her, sex or swim. It's the only way back, sex or swim. So, Mike, she can't swim, Mike. She can't swim. So, next day, Mike comes back into the bar again. Sees Pat again at the end of the bar with a bigger smile on his face. Says, Pat, what's going on? Well, Mike, I tell you, I was waxing my boat, Mike. I tell you, I was waxing my boat. He says, and this beautiful blonde walked up to me. She had tits out to here, Mike. She had tits out to here. She was gorgeous. She asked me for a ride in the boat. I said, I'll take you for a ride in the boat. I took her out in the ocean even further than the first one. Shut down the motor. I said, sex or swim. She didn't know how to swim, Mike. She didn't know how to swim. Okay, now a couple of days later, Mike comes back in the bar. Sees Pat at the end of the bar, like huddling in the corner crying. He walks up to him. He says, Pat, what's the matter? He says, well, I'll tell you, Mike. He says, I was out waxing my boat, and this gorgeous brunette came up to me with tits out to here, I tell you, Mike. She had tits out to here. She was beautiful. She asked me for a ride on the boat. And I said, sure, of course I'll take you for a ride on the boat. I took her out, Mike. I took her out into the ocean, Mike. I took her out even further than the first two. I turned to her and I said, sex or swim. She proceeded to take her pants down. Mike, she had a pecker bigger than mine, Mike. She had a pecker bigger than mine. And Mike, I can't swim. I can't swim, Mike. All right, that's a little long, but I hope it was worth it. All right, guys. So tune in tomorrow. I'll let you know what's going on for the rest of the week. But as usual, tomorrow's free pool, beer bucket specials, Thursday Randy Jackson, Friday, Saturday live music. Also, I'll keep you tuned in tomorrow. All right. Talk to you all later. Bye bye.